Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this vintage paper. It's very easy and beautiful. You're definitely gonna love the end result, so watch it till the end. Let's start. For creating vintage paper, you need coffee powder, paper, a bowl, brush and water. First, fill the container with water, add some coffee powder and mix it well with the help of brush. Like this. Now tear your paper from all four sides. Don't use scissor because we need uneven sides. Dip this paper into coffee water completely. Now keep it there for 5 seconds. This is the look. We will keep it aside and let it dry. Now I have second paper. Again I will dip it into water. And now I want some coffee stains. That's why adding coffee onto the paper. Like this. But this is too dark. Again putting it into water. And now this is the perfect shade. Now we will let it dry. Till then we need a candle also. And we will burn the edges of the paper like this. Slowly. And it's done. I want dark shade, that's why I am applying some more coffee water. If you are happy with your first shade, then there is no need to apply more water. These are the coffee stains you can see here. Now we will do the same thing. We will burn the edges of our paper like this. And now our paper is ready. You can write whatever you want to write here. I am going to write a love letter. And please let me know in the below comment section if you are going to try this. You can also share your work with me on IG. My Insta ID is Creative Corner by Varsha. I would love to connect with you there. I share a lot of day-to-day activities there, so it would be fun. Go follow me on Instagram also. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.